Today, I'm going to show you a product that we have never done on this channel before. It's the Akaso Dashcam. Now, I normally don't do unboxings. I think they're really boring. Right, so we've got an easy startup guide, which is great, quick reference guide. I'll go into that in more detail at the very end of the video if you like, or once I'm showing it, because it's got a lot of, instructions. Strange tool. We'll get that in a minute. We've got a charging device which is micro USB, or is that mini USB? It's the old one, old-fashioned one like that. That's irrelevant, but what is good is you've got little clips. So I'm assuming that is just for putting in the car when you've got, because it's not wireless, it has got a wire, to hide the wires as best as possible. We've got one of these little suction thingy-majiggies. Obviously that is needed to put it onto your windscreen. And this is the charging port which goes into your cigarette lighter there. And it's also got a USB at the front. A large cord, I think you definitely need a large cord. Still don't know what that is, weird. This is the main attraction. And it's black. And this is black, and I've been told off about doing black on black because you can't see it, so wait a minute. This is white. So there we go. You see now? Hope so. This is it here. Right, so we've got a front camera here, and we've got a rear camera here. We've got some buttons at the bottom, which is, I'm assuming if you've got it on the screen like that, you'll be able to work the settings that I mentioned earlier on in the instructions. You've got a little screen here as well. It's got a microphone slot, on-off button, and you've also got your SSD, which as well. Oh, haha, it's lighting up. Got it. Wow, freaky. Right, see if you can have a look at that. That's pretty cool. So that is what you'll see in your car. Is it recording? Oh, it's recording. It's recording. Ooh. So it has actually got some internal memory. See, it's recording at the bottom. Okay, there's only one way I'm going to do this. I'm going to have to get my SD card, put it in my car, and let's see how it goes. But it's looking good so far. Just hope this is long enough. So I've got it set up in my car now. It's a little bit hard to see, but what I will do is I'll just turn it on there and hopefully you'll be able to see it a little bit better there. I've taken it off my windscreen now just to show you the settings really quickly. Now it does have an internal power, so that's why I'm able to do this. But if I go into settings, you've got two options here. You've got regular settings, where you can sort the screen save, sort your time and date, language, beep and sound. Hopefully that's picking up on the camera there. And the other option here is the camera settings, where you can select your resolution. So it's 1080p 60 frames per second or 1080p and 1080p, which basically means dual front and back. Loop recording is just how long you want the recording to go in a loop, self-explanatory. and you can also check your dual cam display. That is where you check whether you want to change it, whether you want it front, rear or both. And there's a few other settings there as well, whether you want to record audio, put a date stamp on it, and it's also got the G sensor. You've also got the button here where if you want to instant record, and you've also got a couple other buttons here to show the different types of camera settings you've got, whether you want it dual camera or not, and it's all at the touch of a button. So now all that's left is to see what the footage is like actually on the road, so that's what you're going to see now. Alexa, play some Billy Joel live in Long Island.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, play Billy Joel live in New York.
Message received.
Right, are we just going to new bike?
Just go straight on, I'll just shut it.
Talk about running errands. How many she sells? I think she really sells one. She sells about 2 a week, I think. We have to do it. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we just have to do it. We have to make it some way.
Probably wait a few weeks until just that later through the building.
See, after a couple of years, just spill some juice on it
We never ever did though, and that's expired. That was stupid.
He actually actively told us to do it. Just spill some juice in it. Get another one. Oh, so that's a sales technique.
I don't know, until it expired. It's 5 years and we never actually received the couch until August. I don't know if it goes.
Which couch? Never started the couch rolling?
The one on the front room.
Oh, really?
Oh,
I thought it was just the one we had in the flat. There was
no,
one in the flat.
That guardian protection it next for the front room one, just in like March, April time, but we never actually received the couch till August.
Oh, you actually feel it. See when you're conscious of it, now you can feel the slip. That's probably why I thought my steering wheel would be very good. I can round this corner here.
Quite early for these, but I'll just nip in and if they're not ready, I'll come back. I need to buy a big wheelie bin bag with it, look at that, excess stock.
Possibly, but you need to go to a supermarket normally.
Been there? I'll just check it.
Stop naming places.
Sainsbury's?
You will get in Sainsbury's, yes.
Yeah.
So let me know what you think of that in the comment section. Are you going to purchase this? Would you purchase a dash cam at all? I actually quite like the reassurance that it's there just in case. I've never really thought I've needed one before, but I like the fact that it's there now. So if you like this video, or if you found it any way helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. Yes, you're the one that just hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you're all well. Bye-bye.